Good morning, children. I hope you all have understood the present tense and past tense in my last class. Okay, just go through it once again if you have not understood. Okay, children. So we are going to go through the page number 45. Okay, so present tense means which is going in the present times. Okay, and past tense means which has already been done. Okay, so we'll go through it once again, whichever we have done already. Okay, present tense and past tense. Tense means time. We use verbs in various forms too. Okay, in certain times we use. Okay, so past tense, I was a baby. Present tense, I am a little girl. And future means will. Okay, in future we are going to use will. I will become a pilot when I grow up. Okay, so these already we have done all these pages and all. Yes, now we'll come through the next. Yes, here it goes. All verbs do not change into their past tense form by adding d or ed. Some verbs take a special form when they are used in the past tense. Okay, so present tense, bring, past, bought, eat, ate, keep, kept, sleep, slept, catch, caught. Okay, now then get, got, tell, told, teach, taught, go, went, stand, stood, come, came. ओके, सो प्रेजेंट टेंस को अगर हमें कन्वर्ट करना हो पास्ट टेंस में तो ये है. ओके, मेक का मेड हो जाएगा, नो का न्यू हो जाएगा, हाइड का हिड हो जाएगा, सिट का सैट हो जाएगा, बाय का बॉट हो जाएगा, लीव का लेफ्ट हो जाएगा, मीट का मेट, राइट का रोट, रन का रैन, रिंग का रैंग, टेक का टुक, से का सेड. सो चिल्ड्रन, गो थ्रू दिस टेबल. ये टेबल को अच्छे से ध्यान से पढ़ना एंड राइट डाउन इन योर one number book two times. Okay, now the last exercise you can see here is that fill in the blanks with the past tense form of the verbs given below. Past tense form में हमको लिखना है. Okay, Zubin's father dash a new car, तो bought. Okay, the driver dash the car home, brought. Father dash the doorbell, ring का हो जाएगा rang. Okay, Zubin dash out of the house, come का came. Father dash him for a drive in the car, took him for a drive in the car. Zubin was very happy. इसका was हो जाएगा past tense form में. Okay, buy का bought हो जाएगा, bring का brought हो जाएगा. So children, go through the whole exercises whichever I have taught you today. Okay, and past 3 days also I am teaching you this only, past tense and present tense. Okay, go through all the exercises very clearly. And last exercises na, this would be your homework. ये आपका homework होगा. You can see here what you have to do is that some verbs are given below. There is also a grid in which the past tense form of those verbs are hidden. Search for the words in the grid and circle them. Words may be found both across and down. Okay, you have to do this as a homework. ये आपका homework होगा children. So once again I will tell you lesson number 13, present tense and past tense. Tense means what? Tense means time. We use verbs in various form to express time. Okay, here you can see the present tense example is that Rahul drinks milk in the morning. Ashima skips rope every evening. I read stories every night. The verbs you can see here, that is drink, skips, read, are the actions that happens in the present tense. It's called the present tense and which is already being done. Okay, जो already past में हो चुका है उसको हम past tense बोलेंगे, और जो होने वाला होता है जैसे I will become a pilot when I grow up. Okay, I will travel around the world. These sentences talks about the future tenses. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to concentrate on past tense, present tense, future tense. I hope you all have understood this chapter very clearly. So your today's homework would be, children, just go through the whole exercises whichever I have taught you. Okay, सारा exercises जो मैंने करवाया है वो सब अच्छे से अपने ग्रामर की टेक्स्ट बुक में कर लेना and learn it properly. It will come in examination also, and learn that table also. Okay children.